viewers, welcome to Tech. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press the icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So viewer, in last video I told you how can you find your Bitcoin wallet ID or Bitcoin wallet address if you want to deposit in your green address wallet. But in this video I am giving you information how to import your any Bitcoin wallet with your private key. If you have private key, then you can easily import your Bitcoin wallet with the fund in green address wallet. So you must watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So now I'm going to open my green address wallet because today I'm going to import my wallet with my private key. So you can see here green address is open front of me and this is my wallet address, and if I want to import my any Bitcoin wallet with my private key on this wallet, so which is option available, you can see here show advanced option. Just simple click on it. After that, this is your wallet Bitcoin URL, this is your wallet address, payment URL, and this is option is available private key WIF or BIP38 format. Okay, first I need to have my private key of my Bitcoin wallet. After that I can import or sweep. So I have not this time my any Bitcoin wallet private key. First I need to create a one wallet of demonstration purpose and get the private key. After that I will import here. So going to open Google and just simple go to the search wallet, sorry, paper wallet generator, because I have not this time any private key of my any Bitcoin wallet address. So that I'm going to first I need to generate Bitcoin wallet with the private key, and then I will copy and paste and import. Now you can see here the wallet generator dot is open front of me. I'm going to move my cursor and going to create my Bitcoin wallet ID with my private key randomly. This you can see here the digits are going to decreasing, means my wallet is going to generate randomly. You can move your mouse anywhere in your desktop like me. I have moved and you can see here I have successfully created my paper wallet, and this is my wallet address which I want to use for deposit, and this is my private key. This is my private key which I use for import my wallet or recover my wallet. So this time I need to just copy my private key because I want to import my wallet. But you can easily import your Bitcoin wallet, any Bitcoin wallet, if you have your private key. So you just use same scenario. Just I'm going to copy from this page and going to again open my green address wallet and import. Now you can see here the green addresses wallet is open in front of me. I have not balanced in this time because this video is only demonstration purpose, and I have created paper wallet. So if you have balance in your Bitcoin wallet and have also your private key, so you can just simple paste here your private key and just sweep, and your fund will be also deposit or import in green address wallet. I'm just going to click on sweep. I have not balanced this time. It may be this system shown me caution about you have not fund. You can see here the wallet is going to importing, and it's maybe take some time for import of my Bitcoin wallet with my private key. So let's wait for this. It's going to take some time. You can also use same scenario if you have your wallet private key like your Bitcoin address. You just simple copy your private key and you can paste here. You can also scan your QR code. If you have your private key QR code available, you just go to the scan and open your laptop camera. If you are going to use in your laptop, and if you are using your mobile, you just simple open your camera of mobile and simple scan your private key QR code scanner, and then you can easily scan, and you just simple click on sweep. After some time your wallet will be imported. So as you can see here, the wallet is going to importing. It takes some time for the import my wallet with my private key. So I hope you properly understand how can you import your Bitcoin wallet with your private key, and which is option how can you use. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So we will meet with you in new video. Bye bye.